This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Whitney Parsons. The most adorable one-level living, like new and move-in ready home, located in Belmont's hottest neighborhood, Eagle Park. This 3-bed/2-bath home boasts a rocking chair front porch, an open floor plan, living room with a gas fireplace, hardwoods throughout the main living area, crown molding, built-in cabinets and drop zone in the laundry room, a cozy side porch and a 2-car garage. Gorgeous kitchen with white cabinets, beautiful tile backsplash, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a pantry and an island. Stunning luxe master suite with 2 closets, tile shower, dual sinks and a tray ceiling in the bedroom. Enjoy being close to charming Main Street and all that Belmont has to offer. For more information